Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? Today I'm just going to show you a homemade jelly that I made today. So at this time, I actually did the same thing that I showed you in my previous video, but at this time I add some the fruits like strawberry and orange, as you can see. And at this time, the chicken bone that I used to make this jelly wasn't previously cooked in soy sauce too either. So I can actually show you the difference. This time you have a lot of fruits there. You can see it's all jelly-dified, and the inside there's a lot of orange and the strawberry are embedded there. So you can take another look over here. Take a look. I see. So, all right. So it looks more yummy and looks more colorful now. So I think, yeah, as I already said in my previous video, that you can be always creative for making your own jelly by simply following the same method that I showed you in the previous video. So, all right, that's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe me and see you guys again. Bye.